Here are 3 snowflakes anyone can draw in Procreate. First, let's set up our file. So we're going to tap on the background color and choose black or a really dark color. Next, we need to set up our symmetry settings. So hit the wrench, canvas category, drawing guide, and then tap edit drawing guide. Down at the bottom, tap on symmetry and then open your options and make sure radial and rotational symmetry and assisted drawing are both toggled on. If you'd like to see your drawing guides a little bit better, just toggle over the rainbow slider at the top, and I like increasing the opacity and the thickness. Now when you open your layers palette, you'll notice that there's the word assisted on your layer. That part's really important. Head into your brushes. You can use any drawing brush you'd like. I am using the glitter lettering on dark brush from my Shimmer and Shine brush set, which I'll leave a link to on screen and in the video description. If your color is set to white, you'll get silver glitter with this brush. Next, come up just above center with your guide, and I'm drawing these like heart leaf shapes that get progressively larger as I go up. I did 3 sets of these, and then at the very top I drew a line straight up the center and then 2 angled lines close by, but obviously these are doodles. You can do whatever you'd like. In between where I have this white space, I'm replicating those same lines just for consistency's sake and throwing in a few little glitter dots to add some extra sparkle. The center needed a little something extra, but first I want to turn off my guide so I can see everything nice and clean. I'm just going to draw a little starburst in the center with a little circle inside just to tie all those dots together. For a final effect, I'm going to add in some glitter snow, but in order to maintain the same symmetry settings as before, all you have to do is tap on the layer thumbnail and choose Drawing Assist. That way you never have to go back and add those symmetry settings in. For this glitter snow, I'm going to grab the glitter stars on dark brush from the same Shimmer and Shine brush set and just paint in that glitter. This gives me a really nice sparkly snow effect. Moving on to snowflake number 2, you'll want to create a brand new layer, apply that drawing assist to this layer so we can keep our symmetry settings. I'm still working with the color white, but this time I'm using the foil pen outline on dark brush. Tap on your wrench, canvas category, and toggle on your drawing guide. My brush size is about 3%, and I'm just going to write the word cheers along this guideline. You'll notice that pretty foil showing up, and I'm ending the word with a circle. The goal of this was to have a bunch of glasses kind of clinking together as a top view. And of course, if we're cheersing, we need some bubbles. So I'm just going to tap my brush in, and because it's an outline brush, I get bubbles instantly. I'm toggling off the drawing guide to kind of preview what it looks like, and it seemed like I needed a glass right in the center, so I popped that in. On to our third and final snowflake. Once again, create a brand new layer and turn your drawing assist on so we can maintain those symmetry settings. I have white selected, and this time I'll be using the glitter string on dark brush. And we'll turn that drawing guide on again to help us get started. I'm coming right above center again and drawing kind of a retro spark shape. And when you do that, it kind of makes a flower shape in the center. I'm going to color in that spark just to add a lot of glitter right here and add some really nice contrast. I don't need my drawing guide anymore, so I'm going to turn that off, and we're just going to pop in a bunch of details here with lines, some extra circles, and I'm going to repeat that same spark shape on the exterior. So I'm grabbing the points and just creating those swooping lines. I'm adding in another circle. I'm going to color in these pointy bits just for consistency and adding lots more sparkle to it. And you can see I'm just adding in some lines, some dots, some extra details. This one is obviously the most decorative out of our 3. You can pile on the details as much as you'd like. I'm adding some inner circles and just a few extra lines. And that is our highly decorative third and final snowflake.